Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This month's recipe took a lot of trials and errors, but I finally figured it out. You've guessed it from the title, this month I'm going to show you how to make the 3 ingredients peanut butter cookies. So, let's go. Here's what you'll need. In a bowl, simply add all 3 ingredients. I've added a splash of water to help the peanut butter become more gooey. Once everything is in place, start folding it. You want this kind of consistency. Place parchment paper on your rack and then the cookies. I decided to split it into 2, more bite-sized. You can also use all of it for a bigger cookie. Into the air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for 11 minutes. When the cookies are cooling but still hot, you can add some more chocolate chips on top of it to make them look more appetizing. Once cooled completely, it's time to enjoy them. That was a bit out of focus, so here's another look. And I'll take that one as well. Let me know in the comments below if you've used crunchy peanut butter like I did or the smooth one. This is what one cookie with the added chocolate chips looks like. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!